Learn how to do prep.
Prep under 4 minutes in 3 steps. Let's do this. Okay, you guys. So for prep, I'm going to keep this super simple for the beginners out there. So number 1, for prep, cut nails down. Take a nail clipper, anyone you have. If you're practicing, don't forget to watch what tools you need before you continue this series, you guys. But anyway, first we remove the nails at the bottom, and now we're pushing back. That is step 2. So far we clip them down with the clipper, and we are pushing back with a cuticle pusher. You can use a wooden stick. Why do we push back the skin? It allows your product to sit much better on the surface of your nail. And honestly, it's really important to remove all that dead skin because this will prevent lifting. If we were to put on acrylic or gel or anything, gel, next gen, whatever it is on top of this nail without pushing it back, then that would be bad because the products will be sitting on top of a nail with a lot of excess oils on those dead skin cells that your nails will literally just pop off. So it is super important to push back the skin because after this part, we are going to remove the shine. All right, so now it's time for the last step. Step 3, we are going to be removing the shine from the natural nail. So what we're going to need for this is an e-file, or aka electric file. This one is actually from Young Nails and I absolutely love it. It costs $358.95 on their website. They do have deals, so check those out. But if you need a more affordable one, go ahead and check out some of my videos for some Amazon drills. Anywho's, we're gonna go ahead and go counterclockwise with our e-file, and the bit that I have here is just a sanding band, and we are actually going around to remove all that dead skin. The sanding band is really good because this one's actually a very light coarse, so it's basically a fine. You can use a medium sanding band for this, but we're gonna go ahead and do this on every single nail, you guys. Now, why do we remove the shine? Good question. The reason why we remove the shine is to help to remove natural oils and moisture from the nail, as well as create a better surface for products to stick to. So we really want to make sure we're removing all of that because there are debris, there's oils, there's dead skin. So the cleaner the surface, the better for a new product to go on there, no matter what it is, because this will help to make sure we have good retention, meaning we will have longer lasting nails. All right, so off to the other hand, we're gonna do the same exact thing. We're removing the shine, and we are going to go ahead and do counterclockwise as well. So FYI, if you are right-handed, don't forget to use the drill in forward motion, and if you are left-handed, use it in reverse. Question of the day: what is the hardest part of the beginning of your nail journey? Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. This will help me better help you with knowing what I can do to teach you guys better, learn the topics that you need. Let's go into review. We cut down the nails, we push back the cuticles, and remove the shine. That is pretty much it, you guys. I appreciate you guys following through, watching the whole thing, and you're on to being a better nail tech. And now we're just dusting off all that excess dust.
Congratulations on learning prep. Go to the next video to learn tip application.